Welcome to Niagara Trailers. Right now we're in the Connect 241. This unit by far is our best-selling 24-foot travel trailer here at Niagara Trailers. As you come into the bathroom area, it's got the nice angled shower, the glass doors. It's got a pantry on the left-hand side. It's got a medicine cabinet, big skylight. But the nice thing is in this unit it has an ensuite, so you actually can come into the bedroom from this way or you can come in from the hallway. In the bedroom here in the front, it does have the king-size walk-around bed. It's got the bedspread and pillow shams. Over top we've got storage. It's got lots of natural light because the Connect has a nice big front window in it. Also have both windows on here open, giving you great cross ventilation. Mirror closets here. Also a spot to charge your phones on both sides of the bed. As we come out into the hallway, this has always been a great feature of this unit. This nice big pantry right here in the hallway, just as you walk in the main door. Come into this area, you've got your kitchen. This is absolutely one of the nicest back ends we have. It has the nice big large kitchen here with the large double door refrigerator. It has the microwave. It's got the glass top. Good set of bank of drawers here. Lots of storage here. Outside under this area you've got your outside kitchen on the outside of the unit, which gives you lots of things you can do on the outside. But look at the storage across the top. That is all complete storage. A skylight giving you natural lighting into the main unit. This is a tri-fold sofa, makes into additional sleeping, nice and comfortable for sitting on. You've got your boot tie net here, which drops down. I love this new table we're using this year. Nice little pop to the darker color and the kind of the distressed look on the outside. Got the nice big window, giving you lots of natural light. And here we've got the entertainment area. You've got the nice big TV, built-in stereo system, and fireplace. So please stop by and have a good look at all the Connects.